Hi, everyone. I'm Mary Spicer, and thank you for joining me for this episode of Behind Fashion 2. The holidays are just around the corner, but the pandemic is running rampant. Fear not. I have someone coming on who's going to help us to have a fabulous but safe holiday. Let me introduce all of you to the Every Hostess, Kaitlin Moss.
Hello.
Hi, Kaitlin. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you, Mary?
I'm good. Wow, that's beautiful to see the trees outside and there's sun. That's nice.
Yes, it's a gorgeous day.
Now, I really am so happy that you came on because you're incredibly busy. You are the Every Hostess. People can go on to the everyhostess.com and see recipes and how to do beautiful, beautiful design and entertaining. But also at the beginning of the pandemic, you started a new business called Wipeys, and these are biodegradable hand wipes for hands, but they're also computers. Is that correct?
Yep. Oh, first of all, thank you for having me. This is so fun. It was a project, just a side project that I started about 2 years ago. Did the whole product development process, and we launched in March, unbeknownst to us that a pandemic was about to hit our country or our world. But Wipeys are kind of the perfect accessory to have right now. I have all four of them right here. There's one for devices, so computer screens, iPads, tablets, your phone, one for surfaces. So really any surface you might touch. Our kind of goal with that was airplane, tray tables, headrests, because we are the perfect travel wipe. And then one for your hands and one for your face. They're all made with toxic-free ingredients, so free from parabens, phenoxyethanol, PEGs, all of the bad stuff is not in there. And we also made 3 of them, face, hand, and surface, with essential oils for their other beneficial cleaning properties that come with essential oils, and to make them smell really nice, as opposed to most cleaning products do not smell nice.
And they don't look good either. Is this something that I have to tell you, every time I get back in the car from the supermarket, I do my hands, but then I also take the hand stuff and I put it on the steering wheel. Do you think this is a good option for the steering wheel?
Oh yeah, the surface one for sure for the steering wheel. I've had lots of friends, clean their steering wheel, door handles, anything you're gonna touch. Definitely the surface one is perfect.
And they're great. Tell you, those were getting sticky. It was
yeah. These are awesome too because they're single use. So they come in a little pack, so you can easily slide that in your car, in your purse, your pocket, your clutch, whatever, to take with you, so you have a cleaning product while on the go, as opposed to those big bulky packages of wipes or the big bottles, things like that.
Wow, I think those are amazing. But you're also going to help us get ready for the holidays. You're going to help us with a fabulous but safe decor for the table. Is that correct?
Yes. My background is in entertaining, and that's what I love to do. And it's fun because Wipeys is the perfect product to incorporate into my blog as well. So yeah, we'll set a holiday table.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm excited.
Yes.
Hi, Kaitlin. So we have changed how you're sitting so we can see you build. You're going to walk me through building a table setting?
Yes, I'm going to walk you through building a really simple holiday table setting with a very simple centerpiece that is so easy to do. And then I have a few tips for kind of stress-free setting your table to make it look beautiful.
I definitely need that.
Okay, to start, always obviously line your plates across from each other. I like to stand on one side and do a plate on one side and then just go directly across so that I know that they're even. Especially because if you ever, for me, maybe some people for Instagram, you're taking an aerial shot of the table setting, it is all uniform in there. Just a cute little festive way to make your Christmas table, holiday table, whatever it is, you know, cute and festive. I have these fun little plates, just a way you can find all sorts of Christmas holiday plates this season, just a way to dress it up a little bit more and make it feel festive. So, okay, I have a napkin trick. So I don't like ironing. I make my husband iron all his shirts. It's not something that I enjoy doing. And come table linens, it's my least favorite activity. I will say I always try and iron the tablecloth because there is nothing worse than a wrinkled tablecloth. But for napkins, an easy way is you basically take a triangle, hold into a triangle, roll it down to make it kind of that, right?
Mhm.
And simply just tie it in a little kind of loose knot
Oh,
like that,
yeah.
and put it right on your table setting. Just
That-
so easy, right? And it's unique and modern and pretty. Well, and it's just, especially hosting, people get so stressed out. There's so much to do. And, you know, it's always about finding this easy ways just to make it simple. Also, for setting the table, I like to do it a couple days before, so it's just done. You know, if you're watching a holiday movie or you know making cocktails, set the table. And then obviously glassware always goes top right corner.
Okay. So my right is the glass.
Yep, your right is the glass, and then your water glass sits above the wine glass. And you're
Okay.
basically, the rule I like to follow is the curve of the plate. It's just setting it in the curvature of the plate. Knife on the right side,
Mhm.
and then your dinner fork on the left. And then if you're doing a salad course, put that to the left of your dinner fork. Okay, so for the centerpiece,
Uh-huh.
I love these little, I think, bottleneck trees, right? I found these at Target, and they're all different shapes and sizes and just super fun colors. So really, it just makes for such an easy little centerpiece. I just got these gorgeous antique roses, just to have a floral piece to this. And
Yeah.
I like to set everything. And plus, I bought these at the grocery store, right?
Yeah. I was going to say, you don't need a lot. You don't need to break the bank. It's just a nice little flower.
Nice little additive. And I bought these at CB2. They're just bud vases. And it just makes for such an easy way to put your table setting together with just a simple centerpiece, right? Make sure to always trim off the leaves of the flowers.
What do you mean the leaves? What?
So from the stem,
Yeah.
I always peel off the leaves because if it's going to sit in water, it makes your water go bad quickly, and then the flowers don't survive. Yeah. So I have a rule of sets of 3, so it makes it look very cohesive. And one last thing. This is especially if you're not going to have the food laid out on the table, if you're going to do buffet style or plate or something. I love just filling the center of the table with just all the pretty things. So little votive candle holders, just another little additive to go along in there, give you some mood lighting.
We all look 100% better with candle lighting.
Oh yeah. I've had some small gatherings this summer, and it just incorporating Wipeys into it was just so easy because, again, it's such a simple little product. So you could have a bowl of the Wipeys hand wipes out on your appetizer table. So same, if before people start indulging, just that friendly reminder, please wash your hands. Again, grabbing the glass, they can easily just wash their hands really quickly. You could even have the surface wipes out too if you just want to give the glass a quick little cleanup or you give it back to someone. Also keeping these in even the powder room, your front entry table. As they walk into your home, guests can use them to just wash your hands before you come into my house.
Oh yeah.
Right. And I love to keep them out at each place sitting just to add extra additive. You've been having cocktails and eating appetizers and stuff, sitting down at the dinner table, just a good use to quickly wash your hands before eating dinner. Yeah, you can tuck it in by the napkin easily or put it over by the glassware above the forks, wherever. And they're cute packaging, so they look really adorable on the table setting.
Kaitlin, I mean, you have such a beautiful, colorful product. I just love it. So because you came out with this during the pandemic, when it finally came to fruition, did you decorate a whole Christmas tree with these?
I didn't decorate a whole Christmas tree with these, though they would make great ornaments, but they would make a great stocking stuffer. I have my cute little furry stocking. So the Wipeys boxes are a set of 20. So you could buy a couple boxes and take them out, throw them into everyone's stocking, give them each type of wipe to try out, or throw the whole box inside so you really get the full use out of them, especially people that might have to travel as well. So we have the Wipeys jetpack right here.
Oh, okay.
So you get all 4 wipes in this cute little clear bag that you can stick other necessities in there, chargers, lip balm, whatever you need traveling or even on your everyday life. Like you said, you're going to the grocery store. Our surface wipes are great to wipe the shopping carts, hand wipes to use, obviously before and after. But this, it definitely is the perfect travel gift for anyone that is traveling for the holidays.
I love that. I think that's fantastic. So I love these products. Christmas is around the corner. So where can I get these?
Yep, so you can get them on our website, and we're currently running free shipping through December. We just extended that. And then we also have, all about supporting local. We're a small woman-owned brand, and I love supporting the small stores that carry us as well. So you can find all of our retailers and see if there's a local one to you as well on our website.
Oh, okay. So your website is shopwipeys.com, correct?
Shop Wipeys.
SHOPWIPEYS.com.
Yes.
Well, Kaitlin, thank you so much for sharing all of this with me today. I truly love it. And I love that the centerpiece was very easy. When you mentioned I'll do a centerpiece, I was like, really? But I feel much better about the holidays now. And with Wipeys, I do feel like it's going to be a little bit, very fashionable instead of so stressful, constantly looking at the disinfectants. So everybody, if you are interested in getting the #1 travel gift for 2020, please go to shopwipeys.com. And if you're interested in more recipes and ideas from Kaitlin, visit her site, the Every Hostess. And it's the everyhostess.com. Is that correct?
Yes.
Every Hostess. Well, Kaitlin, again, thank you so much and happy holidays.
Thanks, very happy holidays.